The grade 974 was part of Hamilton's early 16 size series alongside the higher grade 970 to 21 jewels and the more robust 992 railroad standard. It was designed as a mid-grade watch, affordable, reliable, and widely used by businessmen, tradesmen, and those who wanted Hamilton quality without the full cost of a railroad grade piece. The movement was beautifully finished, showing Hamilton's attention to detail even in non-top tier grades. While not as coveted as the 992 or 950, the 970 is still a desirable collector's watch, especially in original cases and with well-preserved dials. Serial numbers allow dating. For example, a 974 made in the 1000 amassed 890s will be more collectible than later runs from the 1910s. It represents Hamilton's commitment to making quality watches for a broader audience, not just for railroads. In summary, the Hamilton grade 974 was a finely made 17-jewel pocket watch that offered Hamilton craftsmanship at a more accessible price point. While not a full railroad standard watch, it played an important role in Hamilton's success by reaching everyday Americans who valued accuracy and elegance.